Hey guys, TMS Derp here. So in the last video, you saw me clean the plastic cladding of my dad's Mini Cooper S. I decided during that video that I was going to make this kind of a two-parter, so that way you guys can see my car. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. Basically just going to be doing the same thing, just clean our plastic cladding with just bottle and a rag. All right, so here's my car. It's a 2022 Subaru WRX in chili red, or maybe not chili red, it's just red, whatever. But as you can see, with this VB model, it does have the plastic cladding. I know everyone fucking hates it, but it's whatever. Can't do much about it. So yeah, it just means that we have something to do here. So what we're going to be cleaning today, you're going to be able to pretty clearly see it. While it's not as bad as the Mini, you can pretty clearly see like there's some stuff that needs cleaned. I mean, it's dirty. You can see like, I don't even know what that is, but side skirts, I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it. Yeah, you can see it right there. Just fingerprints, just various things that run up against it, you know, rain, dirt, all sorts of stuff. But over the course of this video, we're going to hopefully make this look brand new again. Alright, so we're going to do a nice little side-by-side comparison. Here's the left side that I have not touched. Ignore the burnt dirt. But as you can see, rain spots, just dirty, you know. Nothing too crazy, but also, you know, it looks dirty. It's not great. Yada yada yada. And now, let's go to the right side. And as you can see, it's turned out, I would say, a lot better. The sun might not give you the best view of it, just because the sun's setting. It's kind of laid out. The sun's going down and all that. But all the dirt and rain spots are gone. So yeah, now we just need to do the entire car. All right, so just got done, and I've already kind of showed you this part. It's still looks pretty good, but here's the difference with the front bumper. I would say, especially around here, when you see that honeycomb style, that looks a lot better. And then coming to the left side, so you see all those streaks are gone, any of the sun damage is all gone. Almost all of the marks are gone on this panel right here, the side skirt. Then this rear arch is all good. And then the rear bumper is all now one nice happy color instead of like 15 different shades of plastic. So yeah, that's what the difference can be between just leaving it and maybe just going to a car wash or actually going, oh, where'd I put it? And using an ultimate black plastic restorer. I have to go get a new bottle because this one's almost out. But yeah, so thank you everyone for watching. If you like what you see, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I greatly appreciate it. Comment down below what you'd like to see me do next. I can't really do performance modifications, but general maintenance, cleaning, I can make that kind of content right now. Hopefully I can do performance modifications at some point in the near future, or possibly get a project car. But till the next video, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you later. Peace out.